So this is a muffuletta with the Italian parma, olives, cheese. That's a New Orleans muffuletta, baby. Beauty, 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 beauty. Big ends. And a nice coffee. That's the version pina colada. Blackened fish gumbo. It's just a little starter. Just going for the bread dunking. And
have a good day.
yeah, the Poboy's on its way. Right on. What a taste, friends. What a taste. As if you were just by the ocean. Oh, this is Gumbo. Boys arrived with absolute glory. There we go. And so this time I've got the blackened fish. You just don't go home without a bit of a Poboy in your stomach. Complement with a little long gherkin, get up crisps. Blackened fish gumbo. No, Poboy. What a joy. What a joy. The fish doesn't go wrong. River Mississippi, fresh water.